In Museum De Lakenhal, we celebrate the arts and history of the city of Leiden. Our name refers to the prestigious 17th century cloth hall where fabric was sold. This landmark became the museum's home in 1874. Today, the museum covers 4 buildings from different eras, each a time capsule with its own character. During almost 3 years of restoration and expansion, the museum has been truly transformed. Now there is harmony and unity in diversity. Traces of the past have not been erased, but made a prominent part of the new ensemble, to take you on a journey through time. Here, old masters such as Rembrandt or Jan Steen interact with the contemporary art of Claudy Jongstra, Roy Villevoye or Erwin Olaf. So you can find unexpected links between then and now. We believe that the best way to visit a museum is by discovering it yourself, using all your senses. That's why there's no fixed routing or endless supply of signs. You are your own guide, though we are always there if you need us. Just use our app on your phone to scan any work and find out more details. Take your children on the family trail. Discover hidden gems and layers in the drawers. Or join the art teachers for a creative assignment in the open studio. Each visitor can choose their own path and explore at their own pace, alone, with friends and family, during a sensory-friendly visit, or even with a guide in sign language. The now is for us as important as the past. We regularly invite contemporary artists to exhibit and develop new works of art, reflecting on today's big questions and on the collection and history of the museum. Thanks to the restoration and expansion, the museum is now even more accessible, striking and surprising than before. A visit has become a true journey of discovery, where you can find something new every time. We'd love to welcome you here soon.